Hey everyone, welcome back to Go English. I'm Mizu.
And I'm Lucas. Good to see you again. Hey, Mizu, how's your morning going?
Pretty good, actually. I had a really slow morning today.
Oh, nice. I could use one of those.
You? Slow morning?
Yeah, I had coffee, checked a few emails, and then somehow an hour disappeared.
Yep, that sounds about right.
What about you? What have you been doing?
Nothing too exciting. I've just been at home, having coffee, and getting some work done.
There you go again.
And today, we're going to dive into be, do, and have.
Exactly.
Funny how those three words are everywhere in English.
And we use them so naturally that we don't even think about them.
But for English learners, they can get a little confusing.
Yeah, so today, let's just look at how we actually use be, do, and have in real conversations.
Nothing complicated, just everyday English, real examples, and the way people actually say these things.
Sounds good?
All right, let's get started.
Let's go.
Okay, Lucas, before we get into anything complicated, let's start with something really simple.
All right, I'm listening.
Think about your morning. What did you do today?
I got up, I had coffee, and I did some work.
There, you just used two of them.
Oh yeah, have and do.
Exactly.
And I guess I also was half asleep.
There's the third one.
Okay, so they really are everywhere.
They are, and the funny thing is, we use them without thinking.
Right, like I have coffee.
I do some work.
I am tired.
Exactly.
But wait, have coffee, do work, be tired.
Yup.
They don't really have one simple meaning, do they?
Not always, and that's where things get interesting.
Ah, okay, I see where we're going.
So instead of memorizing a huge list, let's look at how these three words behave in normal conversation.
Yeah, because that's usually where it starts to make sense.
Exactly. Let's take be first.
All right, hit me.
Okay, Lucas, nice and easy. Lucas, are you ready to go?
Almost. I'm still tired.
Still?
Yeah, I was exhausted last night.
Oh, right. You were up late.
I was, and now I'm here, pretending I'm awake.
You actually look half asleep.
Thank you. That's exactly what I wanted to hear.
Well, at least you're here.
I am, and tomorrow I'll be here again.
Look at that.
What?
You just went through 3 different moments without thinking about it.
Wait, I did.
You said, I was exhausted.
Past.
Then, I'm still tired.
Right now.
And I'll be here again.
Future.
Exactly.
And all of that is basically the same little idea.
Yeah, be.
Hmm.
But this is what I think is interesting.
Okay.
When people learn be, they often see it as a list.
I am, you are, he is, we are.
Exactly. And then it feels like you have to remember which one goes where.
But you don't really think about that when you're talking.
Not at all.
If I say, I'm tired, I'm not thinking, okay, subject, I, be.
Thank goodness.
I just feel tired.
Yes, that's the important part.
The feeling comes first.
Exactly. You have a situation in your head and be just changes with it.
So, I'm tired.
Right now.
I was tired.
Before.
I'll be tired tomorrow.
Maybe.
Hopefully not.
Hopefully not.
But the person is the same.
Yeah.
The situation changes.
And be moves with it.
That's actually pretty simple.
It is. And it gets even more interesting when the person changes.
Okay.
I'm tired.
You're tired.
He's tired.
They're tired.
Same feeling.
Different people.
Exactly.
So be is kind of adjusting itself to the person and the situation.
Yeah, that's a really good way to feel it.
And we do this all day.
All day.
My coffee is cold.
My phone is dead.
The kids are hungry.
We're late.
Oh, we're definitely late.
See?
There's be everywhere.
But you don't notice it because you're thinking about the coffee, the phone, the kids.
The fact that we're late.
Exactly.
So when learners try to speak naturally, maybe they shouldn't be thinking, where is be?
Right.
They should be thinking, what am I actually saying?
Yes.
Am I saying how I feel?
I'm tired.
Where I am?
I'm at home.
What something is like?
The movie is amazing.
Or what happened before?
We were really busy yesterday.
And what's going to happen?
We'll be busy tomorrow.
So the word doesn't really feel like the main thing.
Exactly.
The situation is the main thing.
Yes, and be changes around that situation.
Past, present, future.
Different people,
Different situations.
but the feeling is still connected.
I like that.
Yeah?
Be isn't something I have to stop and build every time.
No.
It's already part of how we describe real life.
Exactly.
Wait, there's actually one part that's really easy.
What part?
The future.
Oh, yeah.
Because once you're talking about the future, it's just will be.
Exactly.
I'll be happy.
You'll be busy.
He'll be tired.
They'll be angry.
It doesn't change.
Right.
You don't have to think, wait, who am I talking about?
Nope.
I will be, you will be, she will be, they will be.
Same will be.
That's actually nice.
Very nice.
So if you're talking about the future, just remember that feeling.
Yeah, whatever the person is,
Whatever the situation is,
it's will be.
I'll be home,
She'll be busy.
we'll be ready.
They'll be here tomorrow.
Same idea.
Exactly.
So if we step back for a second,
Okay.
be moves with the person and the moment.
Past, was, or were.
Now, am, is, are.
And future?
Will be.
That one's easy.
Very easy.
So don't try to memorize be as a big list.
Feel the situation first.
Who are you talking about?
What's happening?
When is it happening?
And be just follows.
Exactly.
That's how we actually use it.
In real life.
So, Mizu, what are you doing after this?
I need to go to the supermarket, and then I might meet a friend.
Oh, nice. What do you need to get?
A few things for dinner. I haven't decided what I'm making yet.
Classic.
What?
Going to the supermarket without knowing what you're going to cook?
Hey, it works.
Does it?
Most of the time.
Okay, fair enough. And after that?
I'll probably just go home and relax.
Sounds good. I might do the same.
See, you just used do.
Oh, I might do the same.
Exactly, and that one is really common because sometimes we don't want to repeat the whole action.
Right. So instead of saying, I might go home and relax too, I can just say, I might do the same.
Yep, it keeps the conversation moving.
And then there's, what do you do?
Yeah,
Which doesn't mean, what are you doing right now?
exactly. That's an important difference.
If I ask, what do you do? I'm usually asking about your work or what you do in life.
Right, like, what do you do?
I'm a teacher.
And if you ask, what are you doing?
That's about right now.
Exactly.
Ah, okay. That little do can actually change the question quite a bit.
It can. And there's one more really useful thing.
What's that?
We use do when we talk about activities or tasks.
Like,
I need to do some shopping.
I have to do my homework.
I did some exercise this morning.
And notice we don't say make homework or make exercise.
Exactly.
Good, because that's an easy mistake to make.
Oh, definitely.
So do can be the main action, but it can also help us build questions and avoid repeating ourselves.
Yes. And once you hear it in real conversations, it starts feeling much less complicated.
All right, I think I'm getting it.
Good, Lucas. But we've still got one more little troublemaker.
Have?
Have.
All right, let's see what that one's been up to.
Lucas, wait. Did you actually go to that concert last weekend?
I did.
I thought you weren't going.
I almost didn't.
Why?
My friend couldn't go.
Oh, that's annoying.
Yeah, he called me like an hour before.
An hour?
Yeah.
What did you do?
Well, I already had the ticket.
So you went by yourself.
Yep.
Lucas,
What?
I would never do that.
I know.
You just went to a concert alone.
Honestly, it was great.
Really?
Yeah, I had a really good time.
Okay, I didn't expect that.
Neither did I.
And then?
Then things got even better.
What happened?
I had a chance to meet the singer.
Wait,
Yeah.
you went alone
Yep.
and met the singer?
Yep.
Okay, I take back everything I said.
Thank you.
That's actually pretty cool.
It was. I had such a good night.
You keep saying had.
I do, don't I?
You had the ticket.
Right?
You had a good time.
Yep.
You had a chance to meet the singer.
Yep.
And none of those really mean the same thing.
No.
You had the ticket. You had it with you.
Right.
But you had a good time.
I experienced it.
Exactly.
I didn't own a good time.
Imagine that.
Sorry, Mizu, can't come out tonight. I have 3 good times at home.
Keep them safe.
I will.
But that's the interesting thing about have.
Yeah,
Sometimes you're talking about something you have,
I have a car.
or something you're experiencing.
I have a good day.
Well,
What?
I'm having a good day.
Ah, yes.
That sounds more natural when you're talking about what's happening now.
Right. And we say things like,
I'm having lunch. I'm having a coffee. I'm having a great time. I'm having a problem with my computer.
exactly. Wait, that's a lot.
It is.
We really use have for experiences all the time.
All the time.
And not just good experiences.
Nope.
I had a bad day. I had a headache. I had a weird dream. I had a problem. I had a conversation with my friend.
Exactly.
So when I hear have, I shouldn't immediately think, oh, someone owns something.
Right.
It can be something you own, something you experience, something you're going through.
Or simply something happening in your life.
Hmm,
Think about your morning.
okay.
You have coffee. I have a shower. You have breakfast. I have a meeting. And hopefully, I have a good day.
Exactly. That's actually really natural.
Because you're not thinking about the word have.
You're just talking about your day.
Right.
So be,
Yeah.
do,
And have.
3 tiny words,
Very tiny.
but we use them everywhere.
Pretty much.
And they don't always have one single meaning.
Exactly.
You have something, you do something, you are something, or you're experiencing something. And most of the time, we're not thinking about any of this,
We're just talking.
which is probably why learning them through real conversations makes more sense.
Yeah.
You hear the situation first.
And the words start to feel natural.
I like that.
Good.
Although I still think you should have come to the concert.
Absolutely not.
You would have had a great time.
Lucas,
What?
I have boundaries.
Fair enough. Mizu, what are you doing this weekend?
Honestly, I don't know yet.
Nothing planned?
Not really. I've been pretty busy this week.
Yeah, you have.
So I kind of want to stay home.
I get that.
What about you?
I'm meeting some friends Saturday night.
Oh, nice. Where are you going?
That new Italian place downtown.
Oh, I heard about that.
Yeah, apparently it's really good. What?
Nothing.
That didn't sound like nothing.
I'm just thinking.
About the restaurant?
Maybe.
You want to come?
Maybe I do.
Then come.
I haven't made up my mind yet.
Fair.
What time are you going?
Around 7.
Okay, let me think about it.
Sure.
I'll let you know.
Deal.
Okay, that actually sounds nice.
I knew you'd come around.
Don't get too excited.
Too late. You know what?
What?
We just used be, do, and have without really thinking about them.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Okay.
I'm busy.
Be.
I've been busy.
Have.
What are you doing this weekend?
Do.
And none of those felt strange.
Because they weren't separate grammar exercises.
Right. They were just part of the conversation.
Exactly.
And that's what makes these 3 a little tricky.
They're tiny.
But they're everywhere.
And they change depending on what you're trying to say.
Be can tell us what something is like, where someone is, or how they feel.
I'm tired. She's at home. We're ready.
Do brings us into actions, questions, routines.
What do you do? What are you doing? I do some work.
And have?
You have things.
But you also have experiences.
I have a car.
I have a meeting.
I had a great time.
I've been busy.
Exactly.
So maybe that's the thing learners should notice.
What?
Don't look at be, do, and have as 3 words you have to translate every time.
Yeah.
Listen to what's happening around them.
Who are you talking about?
What's happening?
How does the person feel?
What's the person doing?
What are they experiencing?
And then the right little word starts to make sense.
Exactly.
It's more about the situation than the word itself.
Yeah.
And once you start hearing that,
You stop seeing be, do, and have as a problem,
You just start hearing them,
like normal English.
which is the whole point.
Exactly.
All right, so, are you coming Saturday?
I said I'd think about it.
You've been thinking about it for 2 minutes.
And
Fair enough.
I'll let you know.
Okay,
But I probably will.
there we go.
Don't ruin it.
I'm quiet.
All right, Lucas, I think we've done enough talking.
Yeah, now it's your turn.
Exactly.
Here's a quick challenge for you.
I want you to make one short sentence with be, one with do, and one with have.
And don't make it complicated.
Talk about your real life.
Something you're feeling right now.
Something you're doing today.
Something you have.
For example,
I'm tired.
I work from home.
I have a cup of coffee.
That's it.
Simple sentences are totally fine.
Actually, that's what we want.
Don't try to sound impressive.
Just sound like you.
And then put your 3 sentences in the comments.
We'd love to see what you come up with.
And while you're writing them, say them out loud too.
Because speaking is where these little words really become natural.
Be,
Do.
have,
3 small words.
that you use every single day.
And that's it for today.
We hope this conversation helped you feel be, do, and have a little differently.
Don't worry about memorizing everything.
Just start noticing these words when you hear real English.
And use them when you talk about your own life.
If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to Go English.
And remember, the more you listen and speak, the more natural English starts to feel.
See you in the next one.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Your English journey doesn't end here. Click on the next video and keep learning with us. We've carefully selected it to help you build more confidence, more fluency, and more real-world English.